Nana Encarnacion, her very own Karuba.
Happy birthday to my dear friend, Mary. Wish you the best of health. Thank you.
Anyone who could share her message to our beloved celebrator, Ma'am Sir.
Happy birthday, Nana. Wish you all the best. God bless you always.
Next, Leno.
Happy birthday, Auntie Meli. Sana maabutan pa tayo ng 90 years old.
Blessing of the food.
Yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Limog mo daw natin dyan eh.
Si Andy, hindi, ibigay mo na lahat.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Thank you very much. Di pa nang bitar mo katakan jebata. Naraksak kami ta umay kami makiragraksak kateter amok nga surprise birthday para kenta. Ket marik na no kasano tirik nam tamu naraksak ka kateter nga daw ita. Stay healthy and safe always, Auntie. God bless.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for that wonderful message to our